a great journey, I have to say. It's a very positive story. Honestly speaking, the team is lovely, so it's nice to work with them.
Who is excited to get some hands-on experience with Natterbox conversational AI?
Yeah!